it's Scott here, your tour guide. I hope you join Strolls and Stories Tours for one of our regularly scheduled guided walking tours in person as we stroll the charming sidewalks of the historic Barrio Viejo, El Presidio, and downtown Tucson neighborhoods. Hear the historic stories, fascinating tales, and my interesting tidbits of Tucson's history and founding. We chat about how Tucson is one of the oldest continuously inhabited places anywhere in North America, with 4,000 years of Native American history at the base of what we call a mountain. We discuss how Tucson was founded as a Spanish colonial presidio as a part of New Spain at the same time the Revolutionary War was breaking out on the East Coast. Plus, we take a deep dive into the Barrio Viejo, which has the largest collection of mud adobe Sonoran row houses found anywhere in the United States. Learn all about the architectural style of these historic Sonoran row houses with 18-inch thick walls, and what life was like in this lively historic neighborhood. And let's not forget the stories of our pioneer founders who built Tucson into the city it is today, including a downtown shopping scene that gained national acclaim in the post-World War II era. And we have now launched self-guided audio tours of attractions and destinations on beyond the downtown Tucson historic neighborhoods. Strolls and Stories tours can now travel with you as you explore southern Arizona. We are excited to share the historic stories, fascinating tales, and my interesting tidbits with narrated audio video tours of South Tucson, Bisbee, Douglas, and so much more. To book either an in-person guided walking tour of historic downtown Tucson or a self-guided audio tour package throughout southern Arizona, please visit our website, strollsandstoriestours.com. I hope to see you on a Strolls and Stories tour.